Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the low beam, high beam and the turn signal bulbs in Nissan Kicks. We'll start with the turn signal bulb, which is located right here. All you have to do is turn it counterclockwise like this, and this is a bulb. Try to avoid touching the glass when you replace them, and I'll show you how it looks. I will try to show you the number. Here it is. Insert the new bulb in the base and reinstall the bulb, the whole thing. First find the proper position, and you have to turn it clockwise, and it's done. The high beam bulb is located right here. As you can see, there's a connector as well, and here you have to actually first remove this connector, and then you can twist and remove the bulb as well. I'll show you guys the type of the bulb. H9. When you install it, do it in a similar manner. First install the bulb, find the proper position and turn it clockwise, and then you can install the connector, push it in, and it's done. I'll show you one more time how to unlock this piece. You have to push it away from the bulb, and then it comes off. It's just easier to do it this way. You can also remove the bulb together with the connector, but it's just slightly more complicated. And the last one is our low beam, located right here. Same idea. We will remove the connector first, and then the bulb. Turn counterclockwise, remove it, and here it is as well. This one is H11. Insert the low beam back in the new bulb. Turn clockwise and then reconnect the connector. The replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.